Okay, what the casinos don't want you to hear is AI Keno numbers do work. Watch the end of this video for the best set of AI Keno numbers. Subscribe and keep up with the most successful Keno numbers. Let's look at our first set of lucky AI Keno numbers. As we do often, we played the same 10 spot on card C and D. Make a note, the AI Keno numbers and our lucky Keno numbers above. This 10 spot got us a 6 out of 10. Cool. Want to win at Keno? Copy and try these Keno numbers for yourself and leave a comment below. Let's go on to our next set of Keno numbers. Casinos don't want you to know this 4 spot has become very lucky lately. Every Keno player needs a go-to 4 spot to change the Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe for more Keno tips and strategies. Let's see how this 4 spot turns out. Okay. 4 spot, lower half of the Keno card. We give away all our Keno numbers. Make a note of this 4 spot for your next Keno game. Question: with 4 card Keno, how many Keno numbers do you play per Keno card? I try not to play more than a 7 spot per Keno card. What say you? What works best for you? Comment below. Okay, let's go on to our next set of lucky Keno numbers. All right, many Keno players play consecutive numbers. As you can see, Michael Glassman did well with his consecutive numbers. Google Bard AI says the more evenly spread out your Keno numbers are, the better your chances of winning. Let's take a look at our AI consecutive Keno numbers. Okay, card A got us a 7 out of 10. That's very cool. Note, only 2 AI Keno numbers this time. The other Keno numbers are somewhat consecutive. That's interesting. Subscribe for more Keno tips and strategies. Question: some Keno players play 1 through 10 or 71 through 80. Do you play consecutive Keno numbers? Comment below. Let's go on to one more AI Keno secret. Okay, here is a lucky 9 spot. When my Keno machine goes cold, I switch to my odd 9 spot. It changes my Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe for more free Keno numbers and strategies. Odd number or even number? Let's see how we do with this 9 spot. Okay, card A again. It got us a 7 out of 9. That's cool. Hey, don't let these lucky numbers slip away. Write them down and subscribe to win at Keno. When your Keno machine goes cold, try this 9 spot. It will change your Keno machine algorithm. Superstitious or superstitious about odd even numbers? Share your story. Leave a comment below. Beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.